Hey everyone, it's Lisa from daynaaugustnails, and let's hop into the video. It's a watch me work, and it's on my 15-year-old niece. You guys, this is the oldest kid of the grandkids, and I know she's a biter. I was shocked. I'm going in with dehydrator because I've already prepped and everything, and then 2 coats of protein bond. But yo, I was shooked. Something said, Lisa, get a picture of the nails. I didn't, so it's a good thing that I chose. I had already chose to do the Apres dupe method, but I would have doubly chose it had I seen a photo of her nails. Yeah, biters scare me, bro. I used to be one, so I'm going in with base coat from Gershon's when I cure that for 30 seconds, and instead of using builder gel, I'm just gonna use base coat to adhere these, make it super easier for her to get them off. Soak off base coat easier. So I've pre-etched the tips, added a bit of base coat on the surface of her nail, a little bit of base coat, making sure I cover those side walls inside the tips. And these are Macart tips. Pretty soon you're going to see my daughter come in with the little lamp because she's such a cute little helper. Oh my goodness, she's so adorable. I love these tips because when you etch the inside and you etch the outside, because I mean these are already super flush tips, but they become even more flush, and the curvature of these tips are so good. I did not have to go in with a file and round off the cuticle area. It was perfecto. So here I'm doing it again. Now I want you guys to notice my thumb that's cutting into that glove right there, right? You can see the rhinestones. Okay, cool. An accident's about to happen, and you're gonna see me come in there with a big old band-aid. And that's because there we go with the band-aid. There's a fan right next to me without the cap on it, and I ended up jabbing my finger into it, and it kept hurting and throbbing, and I was like, what? Why? Took the glove off, bleeding. Yeah. Nail still attached. I think I'm good. I will only know when I start to take off this product and, redo my nails. But anyway, sanding band is coming in to further make those cuticles flush and etch up the surface of the nail. And right now I'm going to be clipping it down because the second I sat down, my older sister, my niece's mom, was like, very short, please. I was like, don't tell me what to do. Okay, this is for YouTube. Don't tell me what to do. Do what I want. So just, obviously I made them short because I wanted to, not because she told me what to do, because I don't have to listen to my older sister, and neither do you. So by the time I cut these down, these were the perfect square, and my niece did want square. I'm going to leave a inspo pic of what we're doing. So obviously I filed the free edge, and I went in with a bit of buffing because, yeah, I didn't want it to be too scruffy. And she loved these. I thought that this, this camouflage look was very, very kid-friendly. So yeah, going in with a coat of protein bond on all the nails because this, I do this on whether I'm doing an infill of whatever product, but also if I was doing some press-ons, I would have gone in with protein bond anyway. Here are all the colors I'm using, and this is like four to five colors per nail. Like, cause some of them I had to mix, like the orange one, the pinky required the most work because why did I need like 6 bottles of colors to get that right? Oh, so once the protein bond is dried, I'm adding in a bit of base coat, curing that for 30 seconds. Now, you guys will notice there's like you can see product that's cured beyond her free edge. I really couldn't go in there and grab that because well, first of all, biters are quite sensitive, and then her skin was so close. I didn't want to risk cutting it, but also I thought to myself, man, it's kind of like a little extended free edge. Do you know what I mean? That would have been created without the use of a form, just the brush and some acrylic, or the brush and some poly gel. You know what I mean? At which point some of the product does eventually end up curing on the client's nail, at which point you need to cleanse it to make sure they're okay. And I did thoroughly cleanse her nails in like the top as well as the bottom, so I was quite confident, and I also was grateful for the added support that excess product did create for her because her nail beds are super short. Anyway, so these colors are Beetles for the lighter orange, Madame Glam Perfect Orange for the other orange, and then Calendula for the more deeper reddy orange, and then the sort of burnt orange was Madame Glam's Bang Bang, I think. This pink is from Lavender Violets, and it's a soft pink. So as I transition from nail to nail, you'll see just how much of product is cured and such in certain areas. But again, I was actually quite glad for this support that it in turn gave her nails. Model 1's Puppy Love. This color. Let me tell you, last Valentine's Day, or was it the Valentine's Day before? Valentine's Day before, I loved Puppy Love. I still love Puppy Love. It's just a good color, man. Like baby pink, you know what I mean? This I think is bright Barbie pink. Yes, from Madame Glam. Y'all, be prepared to get sick of me with the Madame Glam colors, okay? Because I be in that outlet shopping my heart out. And has a VIP member sign. So you already know. Okay? I'm planning to replace my entire collection. But only as I need it. Okay? Yes. So that was 808 from Model 1. Also one of my favorite colors. This nice like neon-y, magenta-y pink. Oh, yes. It's the tiniest little bottle. I think it's like 4 ml. So I do need to, there's a gap basically in my collection and I need to fill that. So I am on the look. I noticed that things often go in the outlets for Madame Glam. So yeah. Now with these nails, these colors, these gel polish colors, grab the color that is the closest, to be fair, in your collection, similar to the ones I used, or maybe you want a different spectrum of purples and pinks. Like, I don't know, just grab your colors and go in. You know what I mean? Make sure they're sort of like they kind of work with each other. By looking at this, I'm pretty sure these are all Model 1's colors on this purple nail. So every time I, add a color, because they're overlapping these blotches, I have to go in the lamp for a quick 30-second cure. And I'm working from hand to hand. So, it doesn't really take too much time. And then I just do a full cure at the end. This blue nail, I did love it. I just hate Born Pretty's painting gel colors. Like, I hate it. Like, this one specifically cures. It just cures. That's all I'm going to say. And obviously, you guys see me. Dotting tool to the world. Y'all know I live for me some dotting tool art. Okay? Go in with it. Do your thing. This is a Savvyland blue. And I will forever love this blue. I featured it in my... that Geo rhinestone acrylic set that I did on myself. The same one that I'm wearing right now, actually, when I put my freaking hand into the fan and like chopped it into little pieces. That's exaggerating. It's clearly still in one piece, but I'm pretty sure some of my nail lifted, like the free edge, because that might have been where all the blood was coming from. And when I say all the blood, I mean the tiniest bit of blood. But my mom was freaking out. She's like, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "I'm fine. Don't worry about it. Give me a Band-Aid." She gave me a Band-Aid that was the size of if someone had popped their chin or something, like gaping hole. Ugh, the woman. She loves to exaggerate. So here on this thumb, you can really see the shortest nail beds ever. And you can see the sort of overlapping of that product. But you can also see the kind of support it provides. Now, anything that was uncomfortable for her, anything that was sticking out of the sidewalls in terms of like XX product, I did file away. And I did go in with cleanser, a little half and half, to clean the top side and the underside of these nails to make sure that none of that product was left on her skin so that, uncured or with any extras, you know what I mean? So, to cause any sort of confusions, because it's my niece, you know what I mean? She ain't a paying client, but I still gotta look out. If she was paying, maybe I'd look out for her more. I don't know. Okay, the thumb, just because of all the greens, man. Oh, that classic camo, the first two have come out. Maybe this wasn't the first one. Maybe the khaki was. I don't know. But there's a place in my heart for the green. Always a place in my heart for the green. Just in case you guys are curious about what I'm eating, some red bean and rice, corn, and some crawfish. Which is technically a Bahamian lobster, but I mean, if you know, you know. Clawfish. Dude, when I came in, my mom had a huge piece of like Bahamian lobster set up for me. I was like, I am loved. Truly am. I don't deserve the woman. So I'm going in with a coat of base coat just to sort of even out the lumpy bumpiness of those blotches. And I'm finishing this look with some matte top coat. I think this is from Hermos. It's from a polygel kit. And I cure this for a full 60 and cuticle oil this bad boy. And then I do a video and picture for you guys. So, do all the things. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't look for a product list because there ain't none. Grab your favorite colors, jump in, and be sure to, drop by for the next video. I love you guys for watching. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.